In this video, you will learn the days of the week and the months of the year in English. We will also practice this vocabulary in some sentences. So keep watching and practice with me. Here are the days of the week in English. Repeat after me. Sunday, Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday. Now let's try this vocabulary in some sentences. Repeat after me. Sunday. Sunday is the first day of the week. Monday. Monday is the second day of the week. Tuesday. Tuesday is the third day of the week. Wednesday. Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. Thursday. Thursday is the fifth day of the week. Friday. Friday is the sixth day of the week. Saturday. Saturday is the seventh day of the week. January, February, February, March, March, April, April, May, May, June, June, July, July, August, August, September, September, October, October, November, November, December, December. Now let's use this vocabulary in some sentences. Repeat after me. January. New Year's Day is in January. February. February 14th is Valentine's Day. March. March 17th is St. Patrick's Day. April. April is spring in the U.S. May. Mother's Day is in May in the U.S. June. Father's Day is in June in the U.S. July. The 4th of July is Independence Day in the U.S. August. August is a very hot month in the US. September. Many schools start in September in the US. October. October 31st is Halloween. November. We celebrate Thanksgiving Day in November in the US. December. December 25th is Christmas Day. How did you do? I recommend that you watch this video several times to really learn this vocabulary and to practice your pronunciation. And if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting many more videos like this to help you learn new vocabulary in English and to practice your pronunciation. Have a great day. Bye.